Hey guys, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a paper airplane that works really good. This thing, I'm not sure if it's going to be quite that well, but yeah, because I watched like 80, okay. So I'll tell you one of my secrets. That's bad if I tell you one of my secrets. Yeah, I'm not really gonna make all my videos here. I'm trying to make, okay, so, fuck, do this. So this thing, shit. No, so this. Okay, so this. So I took this and I fold it like that. Okay? And fold it nicely. Okay. If you fold it nicely, then you do this. And you take your finger and then slide across the pussy. Slide your finger across the pussy. Okay. So, yeah. Then you got this, and then you want to make like a nice crease, okay? Yeah, and let's talk about something. So like, yeah, let's talk about what I'm gonna do in my next video. So in my next video, I'll be doing the Ninja Star. So yeah, I'll be doing a few origami videos. Cause, you know, I'm bored and I have my channel, and yeah, and so I'm pretty sure. Yeah, okay. So if you fold this, like, you're gonna have a line, and then you're gonna fold these two. I don't like it like that. I like it like that. I like this. Like this needs to fold here, so like that, you know. So just do it like that, and then crease it. And crease it like nicely. Don't crease it with your fingernail, cause then it can, I don't know, rip. I don't know. But do this part. And then I'll be showing, oh shit. I don't know. Never mind. No shit. So, then you're just gonna do this. I don't know. I think I'm doing it correctly. Yeah. So then you're gonna have this thing, and then, like a shape or something. And you should like, pull this down, okay? Recline it with the thing, and then just nicely. No, just nicely. So that's nicely. Is this nicely? And then I don't know if I'm going to be doing any game videos. I think I will. But I will be doing a lot of story videos. Like I saw a lot of YouTubers doing story videos, like their life, like this is a story. So, you know, I did stories already. Okay, this is just fucked up part. So you like put your finger like right here, so shit. You got this right, and then watch. Put your finger like somewhere here, and then fold this like over, and then I'll show you, watch. Over this shit, and then you fucking girl. Over this shit. No, was it? Like this. And then, oh shit, forgot. I'm gonna probably take this thing apart and then see how I did it. Okay, so. And I took this and then this part, and then he folded it right, like, yeah, I did this, okay, so look, watch, I remember now, I remember, so watch, you do this, and then, right here, like, you know, and then you, like, do that, and then you match it, and then, so then you get this, and that, put your finger, see, your finger here, and then you fold it over, and then, you know, get that. And then you do the same exact thing. First, you just put your finger there, fold it over, and then pretty sure that this coat, I don't know. But then, oh wait, this is just like that. Nope, this is also like that. So it's supposed to be like having like a little opening thing, like a vagina. Oh shit, what am I doing? Oh my god, it's so freaking hard. like a hot plate. Okay, please work. My dig's supposed to work. Okay. And then something, and then this, and then pretty sure it's supposed to have something that looks like this, and then like fold this penis thing up, so I do it, and then you'll see what. Not like this, but it's not really even. I don't know. You do that and then watch. Shit. Then you like from this part, you like from this part, fold it up. Okay. Okay. Careful. Fold it. Oh fuck. Okay. Something like this. This. Oh look, it looks like a piece of shit. Well, guess what? It's gonna look pretty good. Trust me, guys. So then you just fold this part like right here down, and then a pretty good shit. Oh God, I need to stop cursing. Okay, cause I curse. Okay, and then the same thing with this one. And you're gonna testify, you know, like a test fly, get it? A test fly. So you need to test your fly up. Well, I will be needing to test my fly. Get it? Test my fly. Okay. This is the paper airplane, everyone. I've been waiting for. And this one more. I don't know. They're basically both the same. So basically not a little uneven. And you want to make them wings like, you know, even. So then, these are like both the same. See, the same. These parts are a little, you know, cool too. So let's take this and then do test fly. Like a test fly. Get it? Test fly. So yeah, shit. Okay. Yeah, I'll be forwarding. Okay, whatever. Okay. Hey. You guys are. So let's try it from here to there. So yeah, I have like a bunch of spots. Put you guys on them, and then yeah, it's like an office. Okay, so I'll be throwing this thing at you from here. Whoa, works perfect. And then you know what I hate about the airplanes, and they bump in this, and then the things get bad. So now let me put you right here, and then show you how you throw it, and just watch. See? Now it's just one more angle, and then yeah, right from the couch. That's good. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. I want to try. Okay, I'm gonna aim at you guys. Okay. I'm having fun myself in the video. Okay, I'm gonna Ooh. Yeah, same works perfectly. So don't mind. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. So yeah. Not lying. I'm just. Guys think I'm lying. Well, guess what? I'm gonna test and do my other plan. Let's see if my other one works out. Kinda. Okay. uneven. The camera, I put it under there. It's even. So.